Welcome to our English classroom. Our today's topic is articles. We know there are two types of articles. They are definite and indefinite articles. Definite article is the and indefinite articles are a and an. Today let's learn the use of articles and the rules of you need to know to use it correctly. So the first rule is about where to use a or where to use an. Use a before consonant sounds. Use an before vowel sounds. Are p, b, t, t, k, g, ch, j, m, n, l, r, s, z, sh, r, y, v, f, ng, th, d, h. Here you have words with consonant sounds. So you can easily understand what are consonant sounds. And you have examples for vowel sounds. They are a, e, u, e, o, I, oi, au, ie, e. Why I mention it here is, as per our first rule, you should use a before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. Here we have examples: a cat, a dog, a banana, a home, a pencil. Okay, here cat begins with k sound, dog begins with d sound, banana begins with b sound, home begins with h sound, pencil begins with p sound. So here we use consonant a. Notice that in natural speech we don't say a. Instead of that we say a, like a girl, a boy, etc. See the next examples for vowels: an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old woman, etc. Here we have apple begins with a sound, engineer begins with a sound, ice cream begins with I sound, old woman begins with O sound. So these all are vowel sounds. Here we use an. Remember, in speech we don't use an but an. An apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old woman. Okay? Here we have a small exercise. Stop the video, think about it and try to do it. Here are the answers: a car, a beautiful lady, a chocolate bar, an elephant, an umbrella, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note, an honest man, an MA in history. Okay, see, in the first three words start with consonant. So we used the a. And in the next two words, 4 and 5, start with vowels. So we use their an. Last 5 are a little bit tricky. We use a before university. Here the word starts with U. U is a vowel. Even though the word university starts with U, we use a here because we don't say university but university. Ya is a consonant sound. So we use here a. Number 7 is similar. Or European starts with the alphabet E, but the sound is ya, European. So ya is consonant sound. So we use here a European. Here we have another examples: a 1 rupee note, an honest man, and MA in history. In these examples, a 1 rupee note, the spelling is O. O is vowel, but the sound is not on but one. So V is consonant sound. We should use here a before consonant sound. So we use the a. Next example: in honest man, H is silent. It is not honest. The pronunciation of this word is honest. So O is vowel sound. So we use here an honest man. In the last example, MA in history, MA, A. This word starts with A, MA. So, as it is an vowel sound, we should use there an. Okay, let's move on to rule number 2. Use a and an only with a singular countable noun. Singular noun means one person or a thing. A car, a boy, a tree, etc. You can say 2 cars, 5 boys or 10 trees. We can count those cars, boys, trees 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So that is called countable noun. Here are the examples. A beautiful lady, a chocolate bar, an elephant, an umbrella, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note, an honest man. These all are countable nouns. Before that we can use their a or an. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted in this way. For example, water, knowledge, milk, anger, thirst, oil, etc. You cannot say, I have 5 knowledge, I need a water, I need 2 milk. That makes no sense. You can say, I need some water or milk. Here, you cannot use a or an before uncountable noun. Here we have a list of words. Identify the error. An anchor, a terrible wind, a teachers, an easy question, a handsome man, a love, an advice, an oyster, a kangaroos, an Asian country. Now check your answers. An anchor. It's wrong because anchor we cannot count. A terrible wind. Yes. Wind we cannot count, but a terrible wind we can. A teachers, it's plural. So we can't use there. An easy question, that's correct answer. A handsome man, correct answer. A love, love is uncountable, so we can't use there. An advice, advice is also uncountable, so we cannot use and there. An oyster, that's correct. A kangaroos, wrong because kangaroos are plural, so we don't have to use there. An Asian country, that's correct answer. How many of you got correct answers? Good, very good. Good, very good. So here in a nutshell, use a before consonant sounds, use an before vowel sounds, use a an only with singular countable noun. Let us move on to another topic, definite article the. Let me share the rules. Use the to talk about a person or thing known to your listener. For example, I have 2 cars, a Ferrari and a Range Rover. I am very rich, you know. The Ferrari is quite old, but the Range Rover is brand new. In the first sentence, I said a Ferrari and a Range Rover because that's the first time I mentioned the name Ferrari and Range Rover. Until that point, that was unknown to the listener. But in the second sentence, I used the Ferrari and the Range Rover because now it's known to you. Got it? Here in the first sentence, the listener doesn't know about what I am talking about, but in the next sentence, the listener knows what I am referring to. Here is another example for you. I saw a boy and a girl riding on a bike. The girl was sitting behind the boy on the bike. In the first sentence, you don't know the girl and the boy, but in the next sentence, the listener automatically understands what I am talking about. So, we use the. Let's move on to next rule. If I say the man is my husband, you can ask which man is my husband. Don't confuse me. So I say the man in the blue shirt is my husband. Now you know who is my husband. So before specific thing we use the. The next example, if I ask do you have a pen, here I used a before a pen. It's a non-specific thing. If I ask you, do you have the pen which you bought yesterday? In this sentence, pen is a specific one. So we use the. Then let's move on to next rule. The is used before a singular countable noun which represent a whole class. Here are the examples. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Rose represents whole class. The rich should help the poor. Here, rich means rich people. Poor means poor people. It represents a whole class. Okay. Then, the is used with superlatives. He is the tallest boy in the class. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. We know there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Great, greater, greatest. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall is positive, taller is comparative, tallest is superlative. So here before superlatives we should use the. Then the is used with the common nouns which are one of its kind. Only one thing in the world, like the sun, the moon, the earth. Okay. The is used before the names of river, water bodies, mountain ranges, holy books. For example, the Yamuna, the Himalaya, the Ganga, then the Holy Bible, etc. Okay. Do not use articles before proper noun like names, things, games, languages. Do not use articles before proper nouns. Okay. Like the Mary, the dog, the cricket, the Africa, the English. So here we are not supposed to use proper noun. These all are wrong. But you can use the before the names of some countries like the USA, the Netherlands, the Maldives, etc. Because it's the United States of America. That's plural. It means States of America. Next one, Netherlands. Literally speaking, Netherlands means 2 lands. Okay. So now it's time for quiz. Stop the video and try the exercise. Hope all of you understood and you got all answers. Thank you.